Today I'm making another one of my favorites, a true old school classic Salisbury steak. These aren't the ones you remember from those metal TV dinner trays. These are a budget-friendly gourmet meal. Stay with me for the next few minutes while I'll show you how to make them. Hello and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today I'll be making Salisbury steak. You will need 1.5 pounds of ground beef, 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of onion, 1 cup of mushrooms, 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs, 1 egg, 1 cup of beef broth, 1 10-ounce can of French onion soup, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, 1 tablespoon of ketchup, 1/2 teaspoon of ground mustard, 1.5 teaspoons of garlic powder, 1.5 teaspoons of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Place your ground beef in a bowl, then season with your garlic powder and ground mustard. Now add the salt and pepper. Add the breadcrumbs and the egg, then mix until well combined. Form your ground beef into patties, then place them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Using medium heat, bring your pan to temperature, then fry your patties. Now remove your patties from the pan and set them aside until later. Now sauté your onions for 2 minutes. Now add the mushrooms and continue to sauté for an additional 2 minutes. Sprinkle in the flour, then mix until your flour has turned a golden brown. Now pour in your beef broth, your French onion soup, Worcestershire sauce, and ketchup, then mix until well combined. If you'd like to get this recipe along with all of my other recipes, please download the Soul Food Cooking app. I have provided instructions in the description below. Bring your gravy to a light simmer, then return your patties to the pan. Reduce your temperature to medium-low, cover, and allow it to cook for an additional 10 minutes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.